So hey everybody, this is going to be a wig review from DYHAIR777, and the wig did come to me in this cute little bag like this. And they also sent me their business card, of course, to contact them, and a coupon code and how to care for the hair. They also sent me some eyelashes, which I probably won't use, but that's okay. Free stuff is free stuff. So this wig did not come to me blue, and I know that most of you guys probably clicked on this because the unit is blue, but this unit did come to me in a 613, and it was like that bob style, and that's what I was looking for, because if it didn't come out to how I wanted it, I was going to cut it to be short, like real short, and just do something different. But I will insert pictures now of the unit in its blonde state. So it came to me in that 613 color. It wasn't too yellow, yet it wasn't like super like porous or brassy or anything like that. It was super soft, easy as hell to dye. I did dye this doing the watercolor method, where you boil water to just get it hot, and then you dip it, you put the color in and you dip it. And I will insert like a little clip for you guys to see of me actually dipping the wig in the water. Again, this process only took about 5 minutes, and it didn't dye the lace or anything. And as you guys can see, I did pluck out my part a little bit just to make it more natural, because the knots, I did not feel like plucking all these knots. So as you can see, like as you get closer to back here, this is what the original part looked like. So I just plucked it out a little bit in the front and threw some powder on it, and it looks natural. I do not have this unit glued down as of right now, but I do love how this comes down, where I don't have to cut it a lot. It's already like measured perfectly to my head. Now if you have a larger head, this might not work for you, as you might need more lace to come down more, but this actually fit perfectly. I don't have a band in. I did not have to sew a band in. I literally just adjusted my straps, and I have the comb in the back. It has 2 combs on the side, 1 in the middle and 1 in the back, and I literally, all I had to do was adjust my straps and plop it on my head. And to me, I love the hairline. Of course, you can go in and pluck this, but I just did not want to do that in case I messed up the lace or anything like that with the dyeing process. So I will be going back and plucking later when I'm ready to glue this, but I'm not ready to glue it. I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like if you just wanted to plop it on. And honestly, I really love the way it looks. It's still super soft. I did let this unit air dry. I did not blow dry this unit, just because I didn't want to damage the hair. And it's so soft. So this side, of course, has dropped a little bit more than this side, and it's curled. I curled it in a weird way for some reason, to where this side is actually going back away from my face and this side is going towards my face. So it just looks weird right now. And this side has dropped, of course, because I curled this side first. But I really love it. I love the length. I'm going to leave all the specifications down below if you are interested. It does not shed. Like, this unit has not shed whatsoever, even after me cutting the lace off, which is amazing. Oh, I can't wait to glue this thing on. It's going to be so cute. So I'm going to turn around so you guys see the color, because it did do like some strands are darker than the others, so it does give me like a dimensional color. So I do want to just move up so you guys can see. It looks highlighted, which is just absolutely gorgeous. It's full. I don't have any product on this hair whatsoever. I really love it. And I love the way the curls came out, even though I curled this like last week, y'all, and The curls are literally just now starting to drop, and I love how full it is. It's still natural, but it still gives you like a really full effect. And then I do want to show you guys this, because I tried to flat iron this unit at first because I was going to do just like a straight bob look, but my flat irons, I guess, were too hot and stripped some of the color off of the hair. So I don't know if that's like a hair issue or if that's just like my flat irons were way too hot. So yeah, so some of the color did strip in just like one spot, which is annoying as hell because I know it's there, but oh well, I can always recolor this that one spot. So again, this is the unit. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the back. It's just really pretty and bouncy. The color I used was the Adore color in indigo blue. I only used 2, and it came out gorgeous. And it was really easy plucking this part as well. Most wigs you have to like really get down to the nitty gritty. This was actually really easy to pluck. So let me know what you guys think about this unit. Again, I don't really have any cons because it's not like a shedder. The hair wasn't damaged. It's still super soft. I curled this a week ago and it's still like holding a really pretty curl, even though this side is a little bit longer just because it's fallen, but it's still gorgeous and it's soft, and it's just, it is everything. Like, it is super bouncy. And I thought the dimensions were really pretty. So let me know what you guys think about this unit, and I will see you guys in my next video.